So is it true no one's taking you yet? I remember people staring as we stepped outside. They had only one goal: get me off of your mind. I was no good, they said. You could do much better, but you gave them one middle finger and the door shut. 'Cause
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a clean and pack with me. My husband and I were going on a little vacation to Las Vegas, Nevada, so I figured I would try to get everything done before we left. So I was definitely going through each room and trying to get as much deep cleaning done as I could. My parents were going to be at my house staying to watch my kids while we were gone, so it's not like I was leaving my house a mess by itself, but I still wanted to have my house clean before I left. That way they did not have to take care of anything, just the messes obviously that they made while they were there, while we were gone. So I just decided to go ahead and deep clean the kitchen. So I'm just going to go ahead and empty out the dishwasher, and that way I can get all of the dishes in the sink put in the dishwasher, and I can get the kitchen straightened up.
no, we are real as can be. Although we stick to each other, we're free. We still dream of what we could be. You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them, standing stronger than them, letting think we are crazy. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. You still amaze me. Now that we've come so far, they're going nuts about how happy we are. See the bond that we made. It all seems real now that I'm not afraid. And we really got them. Yeah, we sure did write it out. 'Cause we have each other. That's what it's all about. I was no good, they said. You could do much better, but you gave them one middle finger and the door shut. 'Cause
Have you ever been to Las Vegas? And if so, did you like it? I know right now there are a lot of restrictions. You have to wear a mask everywhere you go, and none of the shows are open or anything like that. So I know there's not a whole lot to do out there right now, but it's still at least cool to say that we've been there at least once.
no, we are real as can be. Yeah. Although we stick to each other, we're free. We are free. We still dream of what we could be. You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them, standing stronger than them, letting think we are crazy. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. You still amaze me. You still amaze me. You still amaze me. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. Although we stick to each other, we're free. Yeah, we still dream of what we could be. Could be. You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them, standing stronger than them, letting think we are crazy. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. You still amaze.
Can you believe that Halloween is already so close? I cannot believe it. It is almost time to take down the Halloween and fall decor and start decorating for Christmas. Normally I would leave my fall decor up for Thanksgiving, but I think I am just so ready to break out all of my Christmas decor that I am just going to decorate earlier this year rather than leaving some fall decor up for Thanksgiving. We're not having Thanksgiving at our house this year anyway, just because most of our family is in Ohio. The only family we have down here is Travis's grandparents, and they will not be coming for Thanksgiving just because of everything, going on right now. So I might as well decorate for Christmas, and that way we can have that decor up way longer. So I'm just going to go ahead and move on to the bedroom, and I am going to be making my bed and just cleaning off the nightstands, putting some clothes away. I wasn't deep cleaning just because I wasn't worried about my room being like spotless before we left, but I did at least want to make the bed and get it straightened up.
Another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind, got only you on my mind.
Before you leave to go on vacation, do you normally try to get all of your laundry done, or do you just not worry about it and do it as soon as you get back? I wanted to have all of mine done. That way when I got back, I could just go ahead and wash everything that was in the suitcase, and then all of the clothes that were dirty from the kids and stuff when we got back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fold all of these towels and then throw some laundry in the washer and get some more laundry folded.
I couldn't face what I couldn't find, just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you.
So I had some bananas that needed to be either pitched or make some banana bread. So we decided to make some banana bread, and my daughter is not naked standing there. She has a bathing suit on. She was out in the pool and decided to come in and help me. And then she was playing in the baking soda. She's such a goof. So I decided to just go ahead and peel these bananas, and then I let her help me mix everything. She has so much fun doing all of that stuff. So I let her help me.
I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode. Facing the night, even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see.
So banana bread is actually super easy to make. It is only a few ingredients, and you just put it in the oven for like an hour, and it's super good. I'll have the recipe linked down below. It's not my recipe. I have one that I normally use, but I could not find that one, so I just went ahead and looked on Pinterest, and this one turned out good. I just couldn't find my loaf pans, so I had to use a different one, but it turned out super cute because it was a little pumpkin shape. But I think you definitely need a loaf pan for banana bread for it to turn out way better. So we're just gonna throw in the flour, cinnamon, baking soda, salt, and brown sugar. And then we're gonna mix that in with the bananas. There was eggs, butter, so it's super simple recipe, and it's so good. I don't even think it lasted that full night in my house.
If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I gotta get away from here. I gotta get it through my head that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stepping down, but I don't wanna have to wait too much longer. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in
cute is this little pumpkin pan. I figured it would be fun for the kids too to have a pumpkin shape.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever.
Alright, so while the banana bread was baking, I went ahead and just cleaned up our mess, and then I'm going to move on to my desk. I wanted to get it straightened up, and I was also packing my makeup to go in my suitcase to take to Vegas. So I wasn't taking too much, just the basics, you know, just to do a little bit of makeup each day.
Forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were into.
So I realized I started cutting this before I even put it on the plate. So I put that back in there and then tipped it over, and it was super cute. It had a little pumpkin face in it. Yeah, you can see this is when I realized, oh no, I want to do this instead. So I put it back together and then I put it on the plate. And it was so cute. My daughter thought it was just the most adorable thing ever.
Too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Alright, so I had been tie-dyeing some shirts in this bathtub, so it was a complete disaster. Like, it literally looked like there was blood all over it because it was like an orange color, so it just splattered everywhere. So I needed to really scrub that out. So I'm just gonna scrub out the bathtub with some bathroom cleaner, and then my daughter, well, you will see, she'll come in and help me in a minute. So yeah, I just wanted to get this space cleaned up. The rest of the bathroom was fine, but this tub just needed to be deep cleaned.
Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Another season we leave behind. Another story that's got me blind. Got only you.
Time to pack. So I'm going to show you a few tips. I like to roll my clothes. They fit better in the suitcase, and I usually roll each outfit together. So I will roll like the shorts with the shirt, and then sew on, and any other outfit, I just roll up and it fits in there perfectly.
Mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie. We are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode. Facing the
The jeans I did not roll up. They fit in there a little bit better if I just folded them flat. So that is what I'm doing here, and then I'm just gonna roll up the shirts and any small items. Another trick I like to do, I like to put some clothes in the hat. So I took a bra and like a couple shirts and I put it in my hat. That way it would not get flat throwing it in the suitcase. And when I got there, it looked perfect and did not get squished at all.
night, even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie. We are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I gotta get away from here. I gotta get it through my head that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stay.
All right, so now that the suitcase is all packed, I'm gonna go ahead and write down everything that my parents need to know while we're gone, like addresses for my kids' games. They each had practice and games while we were gone, so I wrote down the addresses and times for everything that they needed to go do. These bags I'm just putting in here for like toiletry items, that way it does not spill or get all over the clothes. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean off the bed and fill out everything that my parents needed to know while we were gone, and that is gonna be the end of this video. I hope that you got some packing tips and tricks and some cleaning motivation, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks so much for watching.
Stay.